It's almost like the season of meme coins, and if you're currently in the crypto online space and you've been following up with the news, you would have seen many people that have been turned millionaires by simply jumping on several meme coins, and they are making it big right now in this very space. Now, with Bitcoin actually hitting and passing its all-time high, and the Bitcoin halving also coming very soon, there is a very high speculation that meme coins are actually going to blow up as well and might actually make you a millionaire. Now, if you're currently watching this video and you're already thinking of the best meme coins actually jumping on right now that can actually make you 100x, 1000x back in returns, then you most probably want to watch this particular video to the very end. Calm down, guys, because I actually want to take my time to share with you guys the best meme coins and even the meme coins I've also invested in myself and actually done me a couple of bucks. Now, if you're actually part of my community right here, then you would have actually seen this particular guy testifying of him making $1,000 with just $100, and there is even much more money to be made because this was just done in a single week. If you can actually buy and hold over time, then there is a very huge chance that he can even hit up to $1 million. But then the big question here is, why exactly is meme coins currently trending? Because if you come over here on my screen, as you can see, this is Google Trend. You'd see that the trend is actually hitting one of the highest highs, and you can see that almost everybody is currently searching for meme coins to actually buy because of all they've heard about how meme coins can simply make you rich. And this is actually in the past 12 months on a worldwide search. Coming over to CoinMarketCap as well, you can see that meme coin actually is having over a $60 billion market cap. This was actually about $20 billion the last time I checked, and you can see the total trading volume of over $8 billion. Do you still think you actually want to sleep on this one? Because, man, you don't want to actually waste any time on this particular wave. And right here as well on CoinMarketCap, you can see that most of the trending cryptocurrencies today are all meme coins. Just check through the first 50 list, you would see a lot of meme coins that are currently on here. And the coolest part of all is that most of them are actually gaining a lot of value. As you can see, 700%, 165%, 1000%, and a couple of others. Now let's look at the best 5 meme coins that you can actually jump on right now that can make you the most of reward. But you actually know that this is not a financial advice. All of what I'm sharing right here is based on speculation, and you also need to do your own research. But I want to take you deep dive in a couple of research that I most probably would have also done myself that would help you, give you some more insights on the best coins to actually buy. Now, the very first coin here is Smog, and as you can see right now, Smog is actually the greatest Solana meme coin of all time. And this particular coin right here is actually doing a lot currently in this very space. I actually made a video about Smog in a couple of weeks, and people that actually jumped on it have actually even made a couple of profits, and they are still holding to make more profits from this particular meme coin. Now, let's go over to the CoinMarketCap and just get a couple of insight on this coin. You can see right here that this is actually sitting at $0.2046. And checking up on the market cap here, you can see about $159 million market cap. And you can also see the circulating supply, and this is just about 55.6%. And there is actually still more. Now, the total supply here, as you can see, and also the fully diluted market cap. I'm scrolling down as well. Let's also see the all-time high and all-time lows. You can see that this actually hit an all-time high of $0.384, and there was an all-time low of $0.02. Now, looking at this particular chart right here, you can basically see that this coin has actually been having a very good uptrend, and you can see right now that at this current price of 0.2, it might actually be a very good time to jump on this right here. Now, let us go over and look into the website as well, because you actually want to just get insight on what exactly the project is all about and what you actually stand to gain. So from the fair launch, where you can actually get to purchase this particular Smog token on your Jupiter and all right, you can actually still see another opportunity where you can either hold or stake this particular token to earn a couple of airdrop points and qualify for the bounty. Now, underneath, you can also see that there are a couple of tweets around this particular token, and this is coming from several influencers. This basically would give more value to this particular coin and make it worth more. Now, looking right here at the token information, you can see everything here, and this is also the contract address. Now, on this particular roadmap, you can see the phase 1 currently, there's the phase 2 and also the phase 3, and at this particular time, they are currently on the phase 2, and this still might also be one of the best times to actually jump in on here. Now, let's go over still to Smog, and let's check up on the markets to actually make purchase for this. And you can see right here that you can still get this on Raydium or Jupiter or Orca. These are still decentralized exchanges, And we're actually still hoping that they'll be launching very soon on some other centralized exchanges. And we all know that when a particular coin actually is going to be launching on a centralized exchange, it will actually pump it up some more, and it is going to, have better all-time highs as well. And this also still is a call to you, saying that this might be a very good opportunity for you right now. Now, let's still go over on social media, because it's also important to actually get to see the hype around this particular coin. And as you can see right here on the Smog, this is the Smog on Twitter, and they also have a community and all, but let's just go over and check on the hype around Smog. Yes, let's check for Smog. You can see several, hashtags for Smog, but then you can see several people tweeting about Smog and a couple of other information. This basically shows you the hype around it on social media, because it still gives you more value. And you can also check up on the Telegram community, and you can follow up on more news on right here. Now, I'm going to be leaving the links to all of these points in the description, so that it's easy for you to access the website and also get the right addresses that you're going to be using. This is very important, so that you don't mix anything up or go to a fake website and get to lose your money. Please check the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment for all of the links to all of those coins I'm going to be listing right here. Now, let's look at the second meme coin right here, and this is Sponge. Now, I'm going to even be directed towards a Sponge V2, because yes, there was a Sponge V1 token that actually did a 100x pump, and currently they are launching the Sponge V2. Now, the move basically was for security reasons, and they actually had to move to the Polygon network. Now, I'm looking on here on the website. You can basically just go through the white paper, which you can actually see currently on here. And at the same time, you can also see other ways you can easily just jump in and stake this particular meme coin. Now, there was a whole hype around the Sponge V1, and as you can see, it was listed on several websites. And at the same time, a lot of influencers were able to carry up this particular news about the V1. And we're actually speculating that for the V2 token, there is also going to be very similar hype around it, which will actually be a very good wave around increasing the value of this particular coin and making you the most reward right here in this very space. Now, you can basically see the Sponge V1 achievements and all. And when you come over here on CoinMarketCap, you can basically see that this is sitting pretty on $0.0006762. And you can actually see the total supply here, about 40 billion Sponge. And also, scrolling down, you can also, this is the market cap here, about 1.67 million. And you just get several info around it. There was an all-time low, right, which is 0.0001, and an all-time high as well. But then, guys, you can actually see that there's actually a retrace on this particular coin. And this will actually be an opportunity for you to jump in when it is low, so that you can actually join in on, this coin when it is high as well. Now, you would also be seeing the right contract address on here, right, and also the website. But like I said, I'm going to be leaving the exact website for you guys in the description. That's going to be the website you're going to be using to access this particular meme coin, so that you don't go ahead and access from a fake website. You don't actually want to do that at all, okay? And coming over here, you would also be seeing that there is a Sponge P2E racing game. And to be very honest, I actually love series of meme coin projects that have more of like a P2E games attached to it. And this is because you have the opportunity to actually play a series of games or take up on a couple of tasks and still make cool money for yourself. Just like Smog Air Token, where they actually drop a couple of tasks, where you have to engage on a couple of tasks and stand the opportunity to win a couple of airdrops for yourself with the Smog I listed earlier. This one here also has something very similar, but you're going to play a series of games and you're going to be earning more Sponge in the wacky new play to earn games, as you can see. Okay, so in order to actually buy and stake, you can actually connect your wallet, stake with V1 for V2, or you just buy to stake the bonuses on here. Now, scrolling down, you can also see a couple of tokenomics here, and you can then see the roadmap. I love just following through the roadmap of any project, because this basically just gets to engage me and show me that the team backing this particular project understand what they're doing, and they have a roadmap to it, right? So you're going to basically see that a couple of coins I have right here actually have the same flow or very similar flow, just basically because you really need a couple of these things to be able to show me that it's really worth it for me, and, I need to jump on board ASAP. Now, the third one right here is Scotty the AI, and this particular coin right here is currently on pre-sale. And this is even one of the best times to even jump on series of meme coin opportunities, because if you can actually jump on the pre-sale, then you have the opportunity to actually get to win a couple of rewards when it gets to launch. That is just like, this is just the best time to actually jump on series of meme coins on pre-sale. And this is why I really love this particular opportunity that I'm very well aware on the pre-sale right now. And looking through this particular coin, you can basically just get a couple of info. Now, this particular coin right here is basically an AI coin, but then we are looking at the Scotty the dog, and AI, right? So they basically have a mission around, AI, its capabilities and all. And you can see the total supply here is about 1.7 billion, right? With 50% public sale and 50% on stack development, exchange, and marketing. And you can just get a couple of more insights on the tokenomics and all. And this is the plan, okay? So they're currently on the phase 1 plan right here, where they are still working around their community and the AI contract, the token generation, and a couple of stuff. And like I said, the pre-sale launch, right? This is actually the best time to actually jump on this particular, meme coin right here, so that you can actually reap the best of rewards right on this particular space. Okay, now it's also very important to go through the white paper and get more info about this particular meme coin and see if it might actually be worth it for you to jump on board right now. Now, the fourth meme coin right here, as you can see on the screen, is Floki. And Floki right here has also actually been one of the top ranking meme coins trending so far in the past week. And as you can see here, the market cap is about $2.6 billion. Right, and you can also see the total supply, and coming down you can see the all-time low and the all-time high as well. And you can see where there's an opportunity for you to easily jump on this particular coin right here. And you can see where it's currently at. Now, this particular coin right here in the past 7 days has actually had a low. And as you can see, and currently it is even, getting more and more value. And I believe that most probably in the past 7 days, people who have gotten this particular meme coin has actually been, having a very good time, because this is almost like, a double of the value on the reward on this particular coin right here. Now, there's still a lot of noise on this particular coin right here, because as you can see right now on Twitter, they're actually about 556.1. And there is a lot of, noise around Floki. Let's go ahead and do a quick search of this particular coin, Floki, and you're just going to be getting a lot of, information here about them. Now, they actually claim to be the next Dogecoin, better than Pepe Coin and also Shiba Inu. And they've actually been, living up to their name with how far they've been going with, making the most of this particular space. Now, right here, you can see this is the people's cryptocurrency, and you can easily just click on the buy Floki and get to engage with this particular coin. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving all of the links in the description. Now, one of the things I actually love about Floki as well is their ecosystem. We're looking at the Valhalla, which is the play to earn games where you can get opportunities to actually win a couple of more rewards. They also have, linked up in the ecosystem, the TokenFi, which is the sister reward platform, and also the opportunity to be able to stake a couple of, Floki tokens and earn more tokens for yourself. And also the Flokify and also the NFT collection. Like, there's a lot around this. I already did the video about Floki, and you can see that video right here. You can still go in and get more insights. Currently, it is already launched and listed in a couple of, centralized exchanges, as you can see here. When you come over to market, right, you can see a couple of centralized exchanges already launched this particular coin. But then this actually makes it very easy for you to even access this coins, and a very good one for you to also buy at this particular time. Okay, now the fifth meme coin right here is Cork Inu, and coming over here on CoinMarketCap, you can basically just take a quick glance on this particular chart, and in the past 7 days, you can see how much of value and traction this particular coin has been gaining over time, and you can just see the ride right here. Okay, so this is the current value of this particular coin, Cork Inu, and you can see the market cap about $426 million. You can also see the volume right on here, and also the supply. Right, and let's go over to the website of this particular coin so that you can actually even get more info. And coming over here, you can basically see that, you just get access to, everything around this particular coin. Life is better when you have some Cork, right? Now, I'm going through the website, you can actually get a couple of more information around, this particular coin. You can see the tokenomics, you can get a couple of, roadmaps and other information needed right on here. And as you can see, it's also listed in a couple of centralized exchanges, from Crypto.com to Gate.io to CoinEx to HTX, BitGet, Bybit, and even KuCoin, right? And let's go over to their social media here, X on Twitter, and you can basically see that they also have a very good, engagement on here on Twitter as well. And let's just do a quick search of what people are saying around them. Now, doing that, you can also see that they also have a very good standing on this particular end, because people are actually, are talking about this particular coin, and this means that, it's going to be getting a lot of value as time goes on right here on this very space. Now, most of all of this coin I've listed right on here also have series of Telegram communities, and also it's important to join the Telegram communities and still just put your ears down on what people are saying about this particular meme coins, because this might also get to relate to the value of this particular coin over time, and this might actually be an opportunity for you guys right on here to jump on them as quick as possible so that you can actually make the most reward for yourself right here on this particular space. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to be leaving all of the links to this meme coins right here in the description of this particular video and also in the pinned comment. Now, I'm going to be leaving these links right here so that you can get the exact real website to this particular coins, every of these coins right here. And I'm going to be doing this because there are several other fake websites that will mimic the original website design and color and all, and you do not want to jump on those fake websites because you don't want to lose money when you're jumping on any of these coins. So I'm going to be linking you down there so they can access the real website and you are sure of what you're going to be getting. At the same time, guys, I have a crypto community, and on here, I still share a couple of info like this one, and I share a series of crypto updates and also crypto signals that will actually help you make money. People are actually making big money right on here in this particular community, and you want to also use the link in the description to jump inside of this community as well and start making the moves for yourself right on here in the crypto space. See, it is the bull run season, and there's a lot of money to be made. There's a lot of opportunity for you, but then you cannot actually make anything if you do not keep your ears down on ground and stay where the information is being passed, right? All right, so this is for this particular video today, guys. If you have questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And at the same time, do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, especially the bell icon, so that you do not miss any of my video. With this, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.